Hello everyone. Before we get started, let's take a moment to look at what you'll learn. By the end of this video, you should be able to carry out spatial analysis tools consist of vector and raster overlay analysis. Apply spatial analysis tools to solve real-world situation and produce conceptual diagram. Let's get started. Have you ever encountered a case study question like this? You are told to create overlay layer in specific distance, but you are stuck thinking which tool should I use? What data do I start with? Is it raster or vector? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we'll go through a simple, clear, step-by-step overlay analysis using vector and raster data. Don't worry, we'll make it easy. Before we start, here is the clarification of data that we are going to use for this case study. Here is the conceptual diagram that has been made based on the case study. Now let's break down the detail one by one. Let's start with the first step. Adding layer of road line and worship point into ArcGIS Pro. Now, let's recap to the first question. It states that a road must be FID 4 and 7. Now, let's move on to the second question. The overlay layer must be within 100 meters and 500 to 1000 meters. The overlay layer indicates that the layer of road line and worship point must overlap with each other in the range between 100 meter and 500 to 1000 meter. To solve this question, let's perform distance accumulation on road and worship. We classify the road layer into range of less than 100 and more than 100. Quick recap. The value replacement was done to align the layer with the question prompt, which specified the distance within 100. We classify the worship layer into range of less than 500, 500 to 1000 and more than 1000. Quick recap. The value replacement was done to align the layer with the question prompt, which specified the distance to be 500 to 1000 meters. Perform raster to polygon for both road and worship layer. This is the process of converting raster layer to vector because intersect required only vector data. After raster to polygon was completed, perform intersect. But before the intersect process, add a new grid code field to help differentiate the two layers, making it easier to perform queries. Now perform select Road 1 and Worship 2. This is a final process where two of the overlay layers will be combined and produce only the area within 100 meter and 500 to 1000 meters, as stated in the question. Here is the final result of our case study, indicating the area with distance within 100 meters and 500 to 1000 meters. Thanks for watching!